guys and gals out there, this is RockinRaffi bringing you another edition of RockinRaffi's Home Cooking. Attention, all you bacon lovers, avocado lovers, as well as you health nuts. Today, we're gonna make a very healthy, low-carb breakfast. In my past episodes, I've used avocados to make an avocado chocolate strawberry mousse, as well as a powerful protein avocado shake. Without further ado, if you're ready, I'm ready. It's time to get our protein on. All right, let's cut up 2 avocados. And then use the knife and strike it on the seed to remove it. Scrape off the inside of the avocado enough to make sure that you have plenty of room when you put your egg inside. And throw it in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's make some bacon. Time to remove the egg and avocado from the oven and let's dress it up. Salt and pepper, and use whatever cheese you like. I'm using cheddar and I'm also using a Mexican cheese mix. Let's add the bacon on top of the cheddar cheese and the basturma on the other egg. And on another avocado, let's go ahead and add some thyme. Let's go ahead and plate it up and dress up the rest of the avocados. And here it is, the avocado egg bake. We made 4 different variations of this. We made 2 vegetarian and 2 for those meat lovers out there, starting with bacon and cheddar, an Armenian style which is made with basturma. We also have a vegetarian version of a taco, which includes cilantro, cheese, onions, tomatoes, hot sauce, and top it off with sour cream. And last but not least, your classic with tomatoes, thyme, chives, and shredded cheese. For you vegans out there, don't add the egg. Instead, add cashew or almond cheese. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready. Decisions. Which one of these 4 am I gonna try? You know what? The vegetarian taco is calling my name. Vamos a comer. Wow, it's like a taco in a bowl. Or actually, it's like a taco in an avocado bowl. Looking really good, smells really good. We added some hot sauce to this and let's do this. Oh, mucho caliente. Oh yeah, who would have ever known? Egg, avocado, and a taco actually complement one another. Oh, this is good. For those of you health nuts out there that are watching your weight, try one of these. These are good, this is good. And the fact that the avocado is nice and warm, it kind of goes down pretty smooth. The hot sauce is just right about the touch that it needs to be. I mean, of course, if some of you like more spicy, then I guess you're too hot to handle. I'm gonna try one of the meat ones now. I'm gonna try the basturma. The texture looks good. And I love how the egg yolk, kind of like a sunny side up. It's not all the way hard boiled. You could see it oozing. And if you can see that in the camera, it's like a flowing river of yellow yolk. Let's try this. The basturma is a bomb. This thing is wow. If you guys never tried basturma before, you're in for a treat. Words cannot describe the flavors that are coming out of each one of these. I mean, obviously we know bacon and cheddar. You know, you've got the flavor of that, and I know that's gonna taste really good. And the regular vegetarian one has the tomatoes, the thyme on top. The thyme is the kicker on that one. It's the herb that's gonna bring out the flavor in that. The taco that we made, the vegetarian taco, that one just alone with the sour cream, the hot sauce, all the cilantros that are in there, that one's really good. Hands down. With basturma, like I love basturma to begin with. Growing up, my mom and dad have always made eggs with basturma in it. In a skillet, oh, so good. Actually, I ate half of each right now. I'm kind of feeling full. If you're feeling a little bit hungry, make one of these. It's gonna fill you up. That just wraps up today's episode. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and that little notification bell. Well, click on that and you'll be notified when my next videos upload. And until next time, keep on rocking.